all extreme here. Since my video this morning, the live stream, we're back with another live stream. What is holding on compared to this morning? Besides the market that just turned red, out of 100 coins we're looking at, it's about 15 to 20 that's green. The rest is falling back and getting hurt at this stage. But let's look at the ones we looked at this morning. How are they holding up? AV is still going strong. Zcash, 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪 𝙁𝙤𝙧 and UNI, all ones we looked at 12 hours ago, is still up there with the biggest percentages. Then a few fell back with some new ones coming in, but nothing major. They're still up there and moving along. But now let's get to the interesting news that's out there. The first news is 𝙏𝙗𝙧 𝙁𝙤𝙧 of unsolicited Dodge knockoffs sent meme coin price plunges. So what happened? 𝙏𝙗𝙧 has told dog-themed meme coin creators to bark up another tree. In a move that captivated the attention of the crypto Twitter on Wednesday, the Ethereum founder 𝙁𝙗𝙧 tokens sent to his public wallet by the creators of Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, Elon's coin, Akita, MW Doge, and our ship blockchain records show. Notably, Burden donated 50 trillion SHIB tokens worth a nominal 1.2 billion at press time to the Indian COVID Relief Fund, kicked off by Polygon founder Sandeep Nailwal late last month. He also sent about 431 million of Akita to Gitcoin, a public Ethereum-based fundraising platform, according to Etherscan. Meme coin creators have been sending large amounts of their tokens to Ethereum figurehead in recent days. Crypto Slate reported Monday, 𝙏𝙗𝙧 was sent trillions of SHIB tokens worth over 8 billion at one point. 8 billion worth of tokens just got for free? The meme coin mania has caused Ethereum gas fees to surge to staggering highs, perhaps animating the network's founder to strike back. SHIB is down roughly 38% since Buttering started unloading, but still boasts a market cap of 9 billion according to CoinMarketCap. The coin has more than 7 billion in volume the last 24 hours. So, the meme coins is getting sent away, getting giveaway, but to a good cause. It's to a foundation to help the rest of the world. But let's see what's happening to Dogecoin. Well, Doge is standing consistently, moving around the 52 and the 43 cent mark currently. So the main send out of the Shiba coin didn't affect it that much. But let's see. Do we have Shiba on here? Yes, we do. Yes, the market plunges. It went down since it's been given away. Quite an interesting story, but for to a good cause. Given away while the market is red to help others. Now, who's going to complain about that? The next interesting story we have available is Bitcoin mining difficulty is set for an all-time high as miners send bullish signs. This is good. It's going to be much more harder to mine Bitcoin, which could cause a shortage yet again. And if this happens, what does it mean? It means we could see a surge in the price. But until that happens, we'll stay strong and keeping a lookout. Bitcoin mining difficulty is set for a new all-time high, cutting into the profit margins of Bitcoin miners that are still estimated to increase the computing power of the network even more, despite the price of Bitcoin has been stuck in a range recently. The measure of how hard it is to complete the mining rewards, known as mining difficulty, is estimated to rise 18.5 in less than a day, per mining pools, Bitcoin.com's estimation. It would be the highest rise since late October 2017, 21.39%. And can you remember what happened at the end of 2017? We saw Bitcoin going to an all-time high of almost $20,000 back then. If you take the same percentage or the same scenario happening now, where can Bitcoin go? Will we finally see the $75,000 to $100,000 mark? Following the almost 13% drop on May 1st, which was about 5 months after the all-time high. Furthermore, the rise would bring the difficulty to 24.42 trillion, which could be a new all-time high, taking the place of 23.58 trillion recorded in mid-April this year. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is trading at $56,627 and is up by 2% in a day and 3% in 2 weeks. Following the drop from the all-time high in April, the price corrected upwards, but has been trading between 54 and 59,000 since the beginning of May. Per BitInfo charts, hash rate or computational power of the network has continued rising since the start of the month, when the previous adjustment happened, following what was already a significant jump. Overall, since May 1, the 7-day simple moving average hash rate went up 12%. The mining difficulty of Bitcoin adjusted around every 2 weeks, that is every 2016 blocks, to maintain the normal 10-minute block time. The 7-day simple moving average block time on May 11 was a bit more than 8 minutes. Meanwhile, according to Igor Runitz, the CEO and co-founder of BitRiver, a major provider of colocation services for cryptocurrency mining in Russia and CIS countries, this increase in mining difficulty will not affect the plans of miners to purchase more mining equipment and mine with the devices they have already deployed. Runners estimate the Bitcoin hash rate will continue to increase and break all-time highs this year as more mining machines that were purchased several months in advance are being delivered and deployed. Also, analytics firm Coinmetrics said in their weekly report that the proxy for network security growing hash rate is a healthy sign for Bitcoin's continued growth. Additionally, the rebound shows that the network is resilient and able to quickly recover after unexpected outages they added. The analysts argued that the changing macroeconomic conditions seen in 2020 and early 2021 helped fuel BTC's rise and bring more institutional investors. And while the first quarter of 2021 was rather loud, the second quarter so far turned out quiet for Bitcoin, despite some altcoins surging. New macroeconomic conditions could be shifting in the Bitcoin's favor once again, it said. The USD weakened during April and last week, which could be beneficial for Bitcoin, at least in the short term, as it has historically risen during times that the dollar has weakened. Furthermore, the Bitcoin market is a healthier position than it was a few months ago, said Conmetrics. Bitcoin perpetual futures open interest has reset to its lowest levels in months, suggesting leverage has been flushed out of the system, giving the market a healthier foundation for the next leg up. Despite retail investors pouring into small cap crypto assets, the adoption continues to grow, while major technological and privacy improvements, along with fees reductions, are on the horizon with the activation of the Taproot upgrade. So, with this, it's just a good thing. Hash rate increase, meaning if we see the same scenario play out, Bitcoin can go on another parabolic run. Where would it end up? How far could it go? Will we see flash drops first, or will it just let off? Let's see what's happening with the Bitcoin price currently. Bitcoin, it's in the red. It went down and it bounced off this line yet again. It's retracing up. The moving average and EMA lines crossed on the 1 hour, but still on an upward trend on a daily. So it's looking good, but will we see a new all-time high if the Bitcoin mining hash rate goes up like they're predicting? But even more news regarding Bitcoin is MoneyGram lets customers buy and sell Bitcoin with cash at 12,000 locations. More good news coming out just now, 5 hours ago. MoneyGram will start letting customers buy and sell Bitcoin at 12,000 locations, thanks to a partnership with CoinMe. The collaboration will bring Bitcoin to thousands of new point-of-sale locations in the US, with plans to expand to select international markets in the second half of 2021, the companies say. This is brand new news, which is just going to surge and help the price of Bitcoin go up, in my opinion. MoneyGram International and CoinMe, a licensed crypto-to-cash exchange in the US, announced Wednesday the launch of a new partnership to enable the cash funding and payout of digital cryptocurrency purchases and sales. A global leader in cross-border peer-to-peer payments and money transfers, MoneyGram serves nearly 150 million people across the globe. Over the last 5 years, CoinMe is a crypto exchange and ATM operator that currently powers over 20,000 physical locations to buy and sell Bitcoin using cash through partnerships with Coinstar and MoneyGram. The collaboration will bring Bitcoin to thousands of new point-of-sale locations in the US, with plans to expand to the select international markets in the second half of 2021. The companies detailed the new service will create global cash on and off ramps to ensure access to Bitcoin. MoneyGram and CoinMe integration will provide a fast and easy way for customers to purchase Bitcoin with cash and withdraw Bitcoin holdings in cash. Now this is what all of us wanted to see. Bitcoin, the opportunities just keeps on coming. First, hash rate goes up, meaning if the same scenario as in 2017 plays out, Bitcoin could go parabolic. And now, MoneyGram and CoinMe integrating to provide us with more options to turn our cash into Bitcoin and our Bitcoin into cash. What more could there be to help us out? Is there better news for Bitcoin at this stage, even though it's currently red and 3.63% down? Well, I'm bullish yet again, despite the market dropping. Have a great one.